If you are dual booting Windows and Linux, you may encounter an issue where the Windows time is incorrect when you boot back into Windows after using Linux. And in order to fix that, we need to make Linux use the local time instead of UTC. Now you can see that the time in Windows is incorrect. It is showing 9:54 when the actual time is 3:50. Restart your system and switch to Linux. Here you see the time is 3:54. Open the terminal window. Here we type some date and time CTL commands to set the system clock to use the local time. When executing time zone CTL command, you can see RTC in local time zone is set to no, which is false. Now type the following command to change the RTC in local time zone to yes. Yeah, we have made some progress here. Now the RTC in local time zone is set to yes. Now you can restart the system and switch back to Windows. Here we can see that the time is 10:15 now in Windows, which is still incorrect. In some cases, this might happen. So in order to fix that, we need to try toggling set time automatically. If set time automatically is not working for you, you need to change date and time manually. Now that we have done it, the system time should be correct. Now you can restart the system and that's it. You have fixed the incorrect Windows time in Linux dual boot setup.